Hey there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Today I'm going to talk about, in this channel, we talk about, where's the hole? There you are. We talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Today we're going to talk about thoughts and why thoughts are fucking things. And why it's important to have positive fucking thoughts and how to switch the fucking negative ones. The ones that make you feel like a bitch when you want to walk up to that fine ass baddie or you see at the store or the park or wherever you're at. Same with your goals when you're scared of doing the thing that you got to do. Now, thoughts are what create your reality. Beliefs create your reality. Beliefs are your thoughts. My coach and I, my dating coach, was telling me you get what you put out, because we were unraveling why I wouldn't approach a woman that was at the park at like a bench with her family. And then he said, why did that make you feel odd? And I asked myself, what do I need to fucking believe to have this experience that's making me feel like a bitch? And I said, it's weird because I have to walk through the people. I'm like, that's why it's weird, because I have to walk through people, because you know that there's like family and friends. So if I want to go up to her, I have to walk by people. That's why I was nervous. That's the only reason. I was not in danger. I wasn't hurting anybody. I wasn't coming from a negative place, and that just like destroyed that limiting belief. I know if in that moment, if I would have gone back to that time and I was really sold on the woman, I was really sold on her, I would have done it, right? Now, whenever you have a trigger meaning you feel like a bitch, basically. You're nervous, you don't want to do the action, then ask yourself that question. What do I need to believe in order for me to have this experience? Okay. Now, thoughts produce results, actions, and results. Thoughts, actions, results. Thought is the first fucking step. A new belief that I have adopted is be proud of the steps that you're taking to obtain the result over the result itself. That will make you unstoppable. Because all you're doing is going after the steps. You're focused on the steps, on the present, step. So therefore, we must emphasize the thought and the procedure to develop those good thoughts. Be it with affirmations, or asking yourself this question that I told you, whatever is going to reframe or eliminate past beliefs to create new beliefs, do that. Do that. Do fucking that. Because if you're being too fucking lazy, you're being too fucking scared to do the work, there's a belief there. You gotta ask yourself, what's that belief? And change it. Because your thoughts create actions or lack thereof, and you create fucking results. Before, I used to be fucking scared of talking to women. I would see a fine ass woman and I wouldn't approach. I would be scared, but I had to develop myself. I got a coach, I developed and learned the things that I needed to learn about myself to do that action. And of course about women too, I had to learn about women. But mostly, large part of it is about the self. So that is why thoughts are things. Thoughts are a thing in the process to create your result. Thoughts, actions, results. You want to go into a little bit more deeply? Thoughts create actions. Actions create habits. Habits create character. Character creates destiny. Okay? I'm going to leave it off on that note. I hope you like the way I did this. I'm using it the way it's impacting my life, the questions and the quotations that are getting embedded in my subconscious mind because I repeat them over and over again. I print them out or write them out and I read them over and over and over again. Listen to your conscience. Your conscience will tell you which ones that you need to develop that higher perfect self that you can create on this planet. And that means that you're going to create your best life and achieve your fucking dreams. I love you. I'm here for you. Make sure to check out below in the description for more resources if you want some. And until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.